Have you ever felt like you were doing everything right in a gym, but you're still not seeing the results you should? Almost every time, the problem isn't your training. It's what happens after. You can train perfectly and still leave progress on the table. I'm Kareem Haskett, founder of Kareem Optimized, and I help people optimize performance, recovery, body composition, and longevity using a systems-based approach that I like to call the physiological operating system. Here's the gap that people are not addressing. Most focus entirely on the training stimulus and completely ignore the recovery signaling side of the equation. That's the gap, and it often shows up as stalled progress, persistent soreness, slow recovery, low energy, and feeling like you're working harder than your results suggest. The reality of the situation is that your body has to receive the proper signals to repair, rebuild, and adapt after training. That's where optimization tools can make a difference. The majority of people who are just starting out in the fitness community only focus on the foundational layer: protein, creatine, hydration, sleep, and nutrition. Those are incredibly important because they provide the raw materials your body needs to recover, but raw materials alone don't always solve the problem. There are also bioactive tools designed to support the signaling side of the recovery. For example, FIT, a bioactive peptide system designed to support recovery, body composition, muscle preservation, and exercise adaptation. Recovery-focused peptides such as BPC 157 and TB 500 are often used to support tissue repair and recovery. And beyond that, there are other advanced therapies that may help support optimization at a deeper level when appropriate. I call this activators versus boosters. To put it another way, supplements are the building materials, peptides are the foremen. The building materials are necessary, but the foreman tells the workers where to go, what to build, and what gets prioritized. That's why I say supplements are boosters and peptides are activators. The boosters provide resources. The activators help direct the response. The goal isn't to replace the fundamentals. The goal is to make the fundamentals work better. Knowing exactly what your body needs is often the difference between spinning your wheels and making real progress. If you want to identify your biggest recovery and performance opportunities, request your free personalized protocol at KareemOptimized.com. You'll also be able to see exactly what I'm using as part of my own optimization strategy. Let's take control of the variables we can. Remember, Father Time is undefeated until he isn't.